I can't wait to get a house and ये सब अभी बस अपने आप कर लेगा एक इसमें.
एपिसोड 29 है ना?
अरे यार.
अरे कंफर्म करना पड़ता है भाई.
मेरे को भी
हम लोगों ने बीच में मैसअप कर दिया था नरेन, तुझे पता नहीं. Hello, Unengineers, and welcome to the Unengineered podcast. We have Naren Khatwani with us as a guest, and we're going to be asking him a lot of tech-related and tech non-related questions. We got him on the podcast because we have a lot of questions to ask him ourselves, and he's a very cool person. He's worked on all the Unengineered social media before. He's now pursuing an MS in some cool computer science degree in some cool university in USA. So he's going to tell you about that. And there's a lot of
bus replacement होता है ना some cool.
But yeah, I don't exactly remember what where. So he's going to tell you, बताएगा तुमको. And there's a lot of like little information that he's going to share with you. उसके बाद life के बहुत जुगाड़ होते हैं basically कि Zomato के codes कहाँ से लाते हैं और restaurants पे discounts कैसे मिलते हैं और Google Guide कैसे बनते हैं. General very practical stuff actually. Yeah.
Basically Naren अपना लाइफ का बहुत सारा सेविंग्स कूपन कोड से बनाया है.
Bro, seriously.
Not really.
Naren has saved so much money for himself and people around him.
That exactly. Zomato Pro तो जो यूज किया ना 3 महीना भी खत्म हो गया रिसेंटली.
Same. Oh damn, मेरा भी शायद खत्म हो जाएगा. Who knows? I mean, just renew it. Maybe
so,
that's
okay. Let him introduce himself.
So yeah, my name is Naren Khatwani. I am ex-unengineered intern, or basically a social media marketing manager.
He's the social media guy. Every time there was a story, the social media guy, it was him.
Yep, that's him.
Yeah.
He's finally on camera with us.
Yep. So exactly. I'll be most probably going to pursue my masters in the upcoming months. So yeah, it's still under process. As of now, I'm not pursuing it, but I hope it gets.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, fingers crossed.
Visa मिल जाए भाई.
What major are you selected?
Well, major is computer science, but I'm also interested in social media. That's the reason I was the social media marketing manager at Unengineered. So yeah.
So,
my interests are very diversified.
Yeah.
These are better than anyone. Naren can talk on any topic.
Yeah, dude.
If you throw him Naren can talk on Barbie dolls if you ask him.
No, not really.
ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
Exactly.
But you were telling me something about that कि तो किसी का तो Discord server handle कर रहा था. Was that something related to social media? I'm guessing it is.
Not really. I just wanted to basically pastime and also networking with people and talk to new people. So after Unengineered, I thought let's venture out to some new thing. So I just approached a guy who just built his Discord server, and I was like, let's help him out by building it more. And it has around 3,800 members as of now. So that guy also got me some new members, like some other influencers whose Discord servers I'm creating as of now.
That's so nice. That's so cool.
And okay, so moving on to the first question, I guess. How do you find bots in it? Because I remember you did a Geeker Discord server also, like you spec'd it up and stuff. So how do you find bots and everything for Discord? So we have
basically experiment with adding multiple bots all at once, and whichever works out the best.
उनको रखो. बाकी सब निकाल दो.
And this is something new, right? Like, okay, Discord blew up pandemic, man.
Yes.
And at least मेरा server is pretty basic. There's Groovy for music and बाकी सब is just channels and stuff. Yeah. But what do you do? Like, you automate a lot of stuff. कोई tweet.
Kind of, yes. I make sure to link the social media handles with the Discord server. So whenever a person posts because influencers का content is basically timely notifications लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए, which is directly related to their reach and engagement that they get.
Yeah.
So once they upload content or they are going live on any of the social media handles, Discord is the best platform to give personalized notifications because you have the everyone and ear tag options.
Yeah.
So each and everyone can get a ping.
That's true.
Irrespective to like the Instagram gives a notification or not.
Barabar.
Because in Discord what happens is a person has to individually go to a setting and suppress those notifications, and a person doesn't do that.
average
people don't
person,
do it. Yes.
they don't do it. That's
Uh-huh.
true. Like
Yes.
Instagram, you don't have to depend on Instagram sending them notifications.
Yes.
That's cool.
And this is a new domain, right? I haven't seen anyone do this before except you, like managing Discord servers
So-
and adding bots to it.
Yeah, that might have just been you because I know people who do it.
Yes.
There are
Wait,
there's
like as a-
professionals who do it.
Yes, there are professionals
Profession.
and they do get paid for that.
Yeah,
Like, for
absolutely.
example-
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
No,
For
no,
example,
it's
the
a
famous
full
comedian.
time.
For example, the famous comedian Samir Raina, he has
Hmm.
many moderators and they also host multiple events on Discord with him.
Correct.
There,
correct,
like
correct.
for
Yeah,
example, the
but it
current.
started in the pandemic, right? उसके पहले Discord पे
नहीं,
ये
उससे
नहीं
पहले
था,
भी
I
था ना.
think.
So any, for example, popular YouTuber, any popular celebrity who had their Discord, or it's basically like having a YouTube channel manager or a Twitch channel manager, right? A Discord
okay.
server moderator. They get paid, they don't get paid, depends on what the agreement is. But in most cases, if the audience is big enough, they do get paid. It is a proper job, even before the pandemic.
Not really, but pandemic mein you might have heard about Avalon Meta.
Oh god.
Like there are
Oh
3
God.
creators who actually.
It's everywhere,
Ah.
dude. Avalon is everywhere.
So like that, like, I think that is one of the main reasons that Discord
Blew up
boomed
in
in
India.
our
Yeah.
locally. Yes, because
Correct,
what happened
correct,
was they created a university kind of a thing.
On
People
Discord.
can guide each other for finance related questions, networking, for startups or any other thing. Be
Correct.
it hobbies, be it talent, anything. So now it boomed so much that it had around 3 lakh members. I don't know exactly.
Baapre.
So what they did was Discord was going a bit out of hand because it has it can be overwhelming for people.
Mhm.
Like if, for example, if there is a beginner who is trying to sign up on Discord,
Bro.
like bot commands वगैरह type करने को बहुत
It's damn.
It is very
damn,
irritating.
very
It's
overwhelming.
messy to get
so
started.
they
Very over.
built their own app. It's known as
Avalon.
Avalon Scenes करके,
Avalon.
where they have
yeah.
clubbed all the creators and it just provides basic functions to the people, but
Correct.
it gives the features to the creators. They have all the options of customizing it, but the audience needs only 2 to 3 features, which is listening and asking questions to the creators. It's basically Clubhouse, but with some Discord features.
Discord features. Yeah, Avalon.
And for the
Scenes,
Indian
Avalon.
community.
So there is
Correct.
another app, right? Avalon Meta करके उनका, which is
Avalon Scenes करके.
नहीं, Avalon
नहीं,
Meta is the
Avalon
name of the
Scenes.
company.
Yes,
नहीं,
Avalon
नहीं,
Scenes
नहीं,
is the name
because
of that.
Before Scenes came out, there was an app which was in early access only. It wasn't
Okay.
released to the public, and I got
Oh
the
really?
APK.
I don't know that.
So I
And
guess
okay,
it's the
उसमें-
same thing. They just tweak the name.
I guess, but okay, उसमें they had, when you entered, you had to choose 3. So there are 3 people with different domains. One is a tech guy, one is finance guy, or a person, I think, product or marketing guy. I'm not really sure. So when you enter the app, you have to choose one of the, what do you call it, teachers and mentors. You have to choose one, and then there are courses depending upon it.
Basically, the persona you prefer.
Yes, exactly. And then there were courses and teaching. I didn't go into the depths of it, but direct Franca, you kind of got recommended Avalon Meta and we downloaded the app. And
Avalon Meta, yeah, it is a digital university. That's true. The app is still there, by the way, on the App Store.
Okay.
It says app for learning skills online. So
because
pretty
it started as a Discord.
it started as a Discord
Yes.
server.
Varun
मुझे मालूम है, yeah.
Varun Maya नाम है उसका.
Varun Maya, yeah.
Yes, Varun Mali.
So I read his Twitter thread. He started this in the pandemic only, if I'm not sure, but he started as a Discord server, then it became some app thingy and वगैरह.
Correct.
I actually DM'd him once. He needed a developer, Flutter developer actually, and I sent him support. I did not get a response, by the way. So I don't know. It was a Twitter DM and वो करने बोला था.
I think it's Varun, Abhinav, और एक कौन सा बंदा है? तीसरा बंदे का नाम नहीं मालूम.
No, but as of now, I guess Prakhar K Pravachan is also creating content with them on Avalon Scenes.
Yeah.
Because on the website, I can see their pictures and everything.
Yeah, that's true.
So they hold the sessions there every day.
Prakhar K Pravachan. Okay, this channel has come up on my radar recently.
Yes.
Like very recently, because our college did an event with him. But I didn't get the concept. What does he do? He just comes and talks about life.
He's a modern
Psychologist, basically. Not really a psychologist.
How do I put this? I don't know if he's a qualified psychologist or not, but he talks about psychology stuff.
Basically, self-improvement creator.
He's like a modern Sadhguru. He's like a modern Sadhguru. No offense to Sadhguru, but like that's kind of what he comes off as. Like. He's like a Sadhguru for the 21-year-olds of the generation. That's why he talks about.
Is it a good channel? Have you watched it?
It is I was subscribed to it for a very long time, and I have checked out his content. It is pretty decent content, but it's not for me. But I can understand the value that he brings. I mean,
like he completed his undergrad from Columbia University.
Kuch to hai uska.
Oh.
So yesterday he held a live stream where he was teaching people how they can
get into
or like apply for an undergrad at Columbia.
That's true.
Oh.
So
it's actual informative content.
It is actual valuable content. He's not talking trash. Yeah. So in some ways, it is his own opinions as well as some objective facts and psychology. You should check out his content. It's worth checking out and it's worth trying out to see if you like it or not.
To build a good social media platform, one of the good strategies is, which is proven to work, is having exclusive content there because audience come for that exclusive content.
And you can build a community on top of that exclusive content.
Exactly. And that is what Snapchat tried doing and failed actually, but they are coming back. That's the new series.
Oh yeah.
Specifically. So it is one of the ways people as in the social media platforms are actually trying to capture audience, because it's not just as a one company. Thankfully, Facebook is still the monopoly, but TikTok is paying creators, Snapchat is paying creators. I think Avalon का भी कुछ contract रहेगा back.
Yeah. In the long term, definitely. That's what they will aim to do, to retain the creators and their audiences.
Exactly, because it is exclusive content, so I think they should pay up.
Correct. How do you stay informed and updated about stuff around you? Like, do you have emails? Do you have a page? Do you have a WhatsApp group? What's up with that?
Telegram.
It started off with Telegram, yes. Like Telegram एकदम beginning में था. Like I stumbled upon Telegram जब WhatsApp was introduced in the market as well, and I noticed that Telegram had many features which WhatsApp now does.
Yes, correct.
Like Telegram is just like Discord, can be very overwhelming for new people because you receive many notifications, and I know, like Advait mentioned in some previous podcast, that whenever a person joins on Telegram, you get notifications. It can be disabled. It can be disabled. But that's one of the main reasons people get annoyed with Telegram. But there are some very good channels which provide very good content. Like for example, I suggested Advait the channel which notifies a person whenever there is a flash sale for any free applications on the App Store, because there are many good applications which are actually paid.
See, that's a very useful life hack. You don't know what application can go on sale, and it gives you a notification for that. So it's so practical.
Those apps are like $5 and stuff, so कभी free हो जाते हैं. Certain time के लिए तो I save like $20 उधर से अभी तक. And I don't actually go there very often. Just एक notification आ गया and कोई नाम catch ही रहा, so I just click on it, see the app, and then just
and they don't spam you with multiple notifications all at once. They notify you like once or twice in 2 to 3 days. So
that's nice.
Yes. Like for example, there was this channel which was introduced like back when Amazon introduced affiliate marketing. Like what YouTubers normally do is they post their affiliate links in the YouTube section, and they earn some part, and it helps out the channel.
Correct.
And so people buy it through there, buy the products through the affiliate link. So it had started. There was this guy who started a particular channel named Shopping Offers and something.
Oh damn!
And it was very new. So that guy saw future कि इसमें कुछ हो सकता है. Now that guy has around 20 to 30,000 members in that particular channel.
Damn.
He has proper employees and he's earning full time from that. And back when he started 3 to 4 years back, like when affiliate marketing came into the picture via Amazon. So what Amazon did was, in order to promote, I don't know if they did it intentionally or something, or it was a glitch, but I enjoyed it a lot. There were certain items like for example Oreo biscuits or any small items, products used to go free at 12 a.m. in the night till 12 to 12:15 a.m.
Oh damn!
I have bought snacks and various things from that for free.
Oh my god!
This was 3 to 4 years back. After that, it gradually decreased because what I think Amazon was trying to do, or that seller was trying to do, that it is like a sample product. If you use it and
Barabar.
people like it, they'll obviously buy
They'll
it again
obviously it's true.
once they get habitual to that particular
Barabar.
product.
Barabar.
But this went on for a year, and that guy used to send the affiliate links for those. It was free for the particular person, but it came through that affiliate link. So that person earned.
Oh damn!
तो
And that's how he
brain.
से निकल रहा है.
Big
हाँ.
brain.
This strategy actually failed. It's failed. मतलब this
Not
was-
really, but it turned out well for that guy. Because now he's kind of
Amazon case में it worked. Like
Yes.
okay, you bought a lot of stuff, you got used to Amazon, but I remember Uber had entered China as a market. So Uber is a global but local startup. So it is global in the sense that the brand is global, it can go anywhere, but every new country or region they enter, they have to do the mehnat all over again of making
Yeah, I know that. I know this for
yeah.
some reason. Yeah.
हाँ, तो Uber entered China, ठीक है? And China में there are some multiple ride sharing options. So what Uber did is, if you took a ride, it was free for you, but they paid the driver. So it was coming out of Uber's pocket. So what these guys did was they created some circuit boards with multiple SIM cards, okay? And one of the SIM cards said they would order their own cab and they would just drive around Thurusa and end it. So they were actually putting in the orders खुद से and earning money. So they didn't have to pay for the orders, right? Because वो इसमें free था. तो
Damn.
स्कूल पर घूमते थे and they used to earn money उधर से.
Damn.
So that is one way how that strategy could really go wrong.
Pros and cons of affiliate marketing, guys. How you do it.
Although this was an affiliate market.
हाँ.
But okay, go ahead.
हाँ,
So Telegram
Like,
is one of the
for
channels
example,
that you said.
like Zomato का भी Zomato and even Domino's offered this. Like I don't know whether it was a glitch or they offered it, because there are also channels which offer only Zomato ka vouchers and Domino's ka vouchers. What they do is they give you a coupon with some random variables in between. You can enter random numbers in those variables, and it will be a coupon code. Some of the numbers are fixed, but some are given as a variables.
That's cool.
Like X or Y, and you can enter random numbers there. So, and it works. Like, but it is valid for only like a few period of time, unless it like till the
People
application
redeem
owner
करने लग जाएंगे
detects
सबसे.
it.
बराबर.
Like
Okay,
they
so
will
is it
obviously
a
notice a
glitch?
spike in purchases with one particular coupon code and the
Correct,
format.
Correct.
But it still works. People actually get discounts from that.
So एक minute. This is a glitch in their system that
I don't really know. It's a glitch or they do it.
Is it a bug or is it a
Deliberately.
feature?
It might be a marketing strategy that they do
I
it
think it is.
deliberately.
I think it is a marketing thing to make people buy more, because
Yes.
then if they know that this is there, why don't they stop it? If they wanted, they
Yes.
would have stopped it long back.
And
Exactly.
voucher system is pretty simple, right? If the voucher matches, it matches. ऐसा ये थोड़ी होता है variables वाला है.
बराबर.
So maybe they are doing that.
So you get these Zomato codes also on Telegram?
Yes. There is a
Man,
specific channel only for Zomato codes.
Damn, I need to get in on the action.
These
Man.
channels?
Yeah, how do you find these? You can't search,
Like,
you know.
It's like cross promotion, like the affiliate guy I spoke to you about.
Oh.
So he also gets money for paid money or any perks for promoting other channels who are providing vouchers. So the Zomato ka channel promotes this guy, the Amazon vouchers ka guy promotes Zomato.
Oh, that is nice.
So once you get into one particular channel, you are, and it provides quality content and vouchers, you are bound to stumble upon another one. Yes.
Guys, this is how you make money online, guys. Don't listen to all those stupid YouTube videos, okay? You have to put in hours and work. But basically, if you have an audience, you can monetize it. That's the moral of the story.
Exactly. And okay, so there is another अभी बात चल ही रहा था कि how do you keep yourself informed. There is another Telegram channel that you told me about, Tech Guides करके.
Yes, yes. What that particular channel does is they every day give you 10 to 12 bullet points which provides accurate, to the point, and specific information about the technology updates in every day.
Oh my
so
god!
And they also include some pretty trustable leads for example, if the blueprint for iPhones have leaked out, there will be a bullet point related to that in that particular channel.
Because I joined the channel, it was pretty nice. Like I said, हर दिन आता था वो, if I'm not wrong.
Damn.
So हर दिन रात को there used to be a message with all the stuff that happened that day.
Yes.
That's so cool. We need to make one for the stock market, guys. Let's do it. Unengineered.
There
Unengineered.
already exist 2 to 3,
Yeah,
and they
obviously,
have
I'm-
around 20,000 members.
I'm guessing that would have. जो भी idea है, obviously that will most probably take it.
There were some YouTubers who used to notify people on Telegram because
Baapre.
there are super channels which have like 20 to 30,000 members, and everyone can get a ping on Telegram. If a
Baapre.
person does not wish to get a notification, they can disable it. But Telegram is also a good channel. You can
Telegram
conduct polls and
ये-
everything.
Yeah,
Telegram and
the polls
Discord
भी होता है.
मैसेंजर के अंदर क्वालिफाई होते हैं, राइट? तो ऑल द
Yes.
नोटिफिकेशन कम टू पीपल एज आस्किंग के लिए लिखती है YouTube का, फिर भी मिस हो जाएगा एंड ये हो
And
जाएगा.
Correct.
agree it or not, Discord is not an app you would prefer to operate on a phone. Telegram
That's
is.
true. That's true. That absolutely true. 100%. Man, Discord has way too many buttons on one screen. App way
As
too
I
many
said,
things
it
to
can
click
be
on.
overwhelming.
Way too many
it
things
is
to click on,
overwhelming.
man. That is, I think, the only sort of the barrier which is limiting Discord. That's the only thing that's holding them back. If they fix it, man,
Yes.
सब लोग आ
Discord
जाएंगे
has
Discord.
a lot of features. Like
Seriously, they just need. I think they just need to organize those features better.
Yeah, it's like Samsung वाला problem. बहुत features है but सब डाल के रख दिया है.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, that's right.
Discord
So-
actually, while we're on the topic of Discord actually आज जाके released a update where it allowed MacBooks to actually stream audio.
It
Oh,
was
yeah.
already there. It was
नहीं
already.
नहीं, अब तक you could ऐसा वो speaker से mic में जाता था जो भी. if you
No,
share
it was
an
already
application.
there.
नहीं
नहीं
आज
नहीं
ही
नहीं
update
नहीं
use कर
नहीं
रहा है.
what नहीं मैं बताता हूँ.
Mac users be
It
like.
was नहीं it was something which I also faced. Like you cannot
Mhm.
share your audio, but there was an option to install a plugin which I did not notice. I noticed it after
Mhm.
6 months. So there is an option where you can download a plugin, and it will
Mhm.
override your system security preferences and let your Mac share audio.
Damn.
Now,
Okay.
now this is for Mac users who have Intel chips.
हाँ.
Like day before yesterday, I had a friend who has an M1 Mac. So he had to go
Yeah.
to some lengths to disable
Yeah, obviously
his
because there's
security
hardware,
preferences.
there's hardware security, na.
नहीं hardware security है, but for Intel Macs it's like you just have to install a plugin and it will start working seamlessly
Wait.
after one restart. But
Okay.
for M1 you have
मेरा
to
अब तक नहीं किया
enter
हुआ
the
for
security
some
mode of the the Mac,
Mac.
then
Ah.
disable the firewall and everything, and then that plugin will
Thing
start
will
working.
happen. Yeah.
Yes.
And all this while Zoom has access to some private API Apple का which allows it to share audio directly.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो कोई problem नहीं होता. So I don't know what this is. Like come on Discord, Apple के साथ no.
And there is there is also one particular hindrance while sharing audio. If you are a Mac user, you can for some reason, if there are multiple windows open, you cannot see the applications while share. When you click on the share button on the Discord app, you have to minimize the Discord app. Then only you will be able to see the other applications which are opened or not.
समझा. अरे बाप रे.
मेरे को ये problem कभी नहीं आया.
There are some people who face this problem. I don't know if it's really device related or
Discord का and the problem with Discord it's everywhere, right? And हर जगह उनको वो same features से ये करना पड़ता
हाँ,
है.
they have to regulate it.
That's
app
true.
पे, website पे, and I have no clue how they manage website. It's probably an Electron app which is running everywhere, trying to figure out क्या करना है उस platform पे.
Oh
But
damn. Yeah, that's
we
true.
love Discord. We love the app. Just get your shit sorted.
So yeah, that's about Discord.
Discord also has many Easter eggs in it. If just saying you can
so-
just go and search about it, you'll find many videos. But
Yeah,
then
because
particularly-
when in my laptop when Discord is loading, there's always a message which is
हाँ.
so long that I can't read it in the time that it takes to load Discord. So I always miss it. But there's like हमारे लोगों का नाम ये था पहले, हमारे symbol का नाम वो था. You can use this combo to have something magic or
Discord पे I realized कि
play our version of pinball or something.
Yes,
Yeah, I
that's
know
one
about
thing.
that.
Like for example, there is a Discord icon. Like when in order to get redirected to the DMs, right? If you click on that icon for 12 times, you will hear a sound Discordo, and it will be permanent. Like whenever you log into the app, you will hear that sound. So that's one of the
Cool.
Easter eggs.
हाँ भाई, ये
Okay.
सब टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो कैसा बनाओगे ना
हाँ,
ऑनलाइन
and
तो?
if you know, recently Epic Games teamed up with Discord, and they offered people 3 months of Nitro for free. It's till 24th of June, I guess. So yeah,
Also, Nitro concept I never really understand. What's the point, Nitro? Ka?
it's basically giving the user some exclusive perks in a particular server where they
Mhm.
can, like for example, if you have an influencer and there are 5,000 members, well, obviously that particular creator cannot talk to each and everyone. And
Correct.
some people can boost the particular server. They will get a server booster role, and that role can have access to some secret channels which where they can communicate with the creator directly. And not many people, it's a YouTube subscription. YouTube का जो channel subscription रहता है.
Join
Yes,
member.
join.
Okay,
So anybody can boost. There's no limits to how many boosts.
Like if you buy a Nitro, you get 2 server boosts, and after that, if you want to boost, you incur some extra charges. But
Okay,
as
there
of
are
now,
some
there are a lot of
actual-
server boosters because each and everyone has claimed the Epic Games.
Oh damn.
Also, there was this thing. What happened was many people, like there was a credit card requirement or a PayPal account in order to verify, because obviously they won't give you Nitro if they don't verify your payment.
Correct.
Payment details. So people used like different carding methods and everything. So what Discord did was, in order to counter that, they deducted around $1 from each and every account, and they reversed it back. If a carding technique was used, obviously there won't be any money in that particular account.
Correct.
Yes. So they kind of banned those accounts, but people also found the hack that they removed their card details and they claimed the Nitro. As simple as that. When Discord had to deduct the amount, and the account did not have any payment details. They were like, okay.
Humans are too smart, man.
Yeah.
And that happens with, I think, even like Amazon, and when I'm trying to renew my Netflix, that happens when you first register for Netflix.
It has also happened for Canva now. Like earlier with GitHub Student Developer Pack, which we all have been using for the past 1 year extensively. So like I noticed it last week that they just disabled some of my pro features. So I had to add my payment details. They deducted 75 rupees and they reversed it immediately, and my payment details were verified.
Okay, Canva is not an Indian company.
No, but they offer local currency deduction.
No, I didn't know it wasn't an Indian company. All this while I thought it's...
No, Canva India का नहीं है भाई, क्या बोल रहा है?
For some reason I thought it's an Indian company.
Nah, nah, it's not. Sadly not an Indian company, वरना मैं उसके कब के shares खरीद लेता भाई, क्या है? Canva is too damn good.
Founded in Australia.
Australians got Australians killing it, boys. Absolutely.
So moving to the next topic. The next is the final one, and it's kind of vague, like Atik said. What are you doing? Like after an engineer, what did you do?
I'm exploring Discord. Like I built some servers for some creators. I tried it. It's fun. So yeah, still exploring that. And in the upcoming months, I'll be going for my higher studies. Yeah, that's under the wraps. I hope yes. So hopefully, I'll share it when it is actually done. Yeah. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
But what is your game? Like you have that unique combination of social media and computer science. So do you see mixing those ki wo separate path leke going one of those?
I don't really know, but I kind of think that I'm able to manage my computer science journey on the weekdays and my social media journey and photography as my hobby on the weekends. So as of now, I'm planning that.
That sounds I'm doing something like that similarly myself. So, Abhi, that's after graduation, that's all you can think about. How you can
career ekdam main chal raha hai, baaki sab side businesses.
Yes.
How you can make the most use of your weekends. Let's see if we have the energy or the willingness to do it when it comes to it. Plan
but obviously that curiosity of learning things will never
That's
go
true. That's true. Abhi since
Like I still go to YouTube randomly and I search for videos. Like for example, like I'll be obviously getting a EDU email ID. So as of now, I'm researching about that. Like what are the perks that I can
perks
get?
of an EDU ID.
Oh,
Yeah.
you wanted to talk about, right? Perks
Yeah,
of video.
yeah, like there are many perks a person can get. For example, Notion is valid for the academia email IDs and the EDU IDs as well. So yeah, you can get a personal pro plan for six months or a year.
Easy. Notion is damn good, and we did that.
He has even figured out the hacks through for that particular thing. Like he'll renew it now. His friend would be renewing it after that.
भाई yes.
Yes.
And सब एक पेज के अंदर रखा है तो बस अगर किसी का नोशन चाहिए जो सीधा डुप्लीकेट कर देना
हाँ. There is something known as block limits in Notion, which I'm not really understood as of now.
So yeah. Block limits होता है Notion.
It's like there is a limitation.
If you have a normal plan and you create as a combined day, for example, a company or something like organization create करते हैं, there's a limit of 1,000 blocks.
Okay.
But when the pandemic began, I think उससे थोड़े टाइम बाद they removed limits on your personal account. So if you have a personal account, जिसमें तुम लोग भी कर रहे हो, तो पहले उसमें block limit था, but अभी block limit नहीं है. That is what made Notion the longer effective.
Staple.
People have been using Notion very extensively these days. They are making websites, portfolios, and
yeah, dude. I for the first time I saw LinkedIn being used. LinkedIn क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Notion being used for something other than personal organization and notes was when someone put out a call for hiring on it. Like there was a link,
yes,
and it sent you to a Notion document which
had all the requirements.
All the requirements. Yes. I'm like, how are they using Notion like this? Why would someone?
Although, could you apply over there?
Obviously, you could apply. There's a link there.
Yes.
So.
Wait, I don't follow. But some लोग same page पे जा रहे हैं, right?
Yeah, everybody's going. Yeah, वही तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ऐसे कैसे use कर लिया भाई Notion को?
People have been like, for example, there are like, I don't know if you know this. If you go to Notion's website, there are two particular options where you can become a Notion ambassador and a Notion consultant. Like Notion ambassador is someone who has to dedicate 3 hours a year in order to promote Notion and how widely it can be used for different tasks. And
3 hours a year.
Yes, like they can, like it's like campus ambassador program. Like you.
But साल में सिर्फ 3 घंटा.
It's like obviously you will have. It's kind of a basic requirement, but it renews each and every year. Okay, and in order to be a Notion consultant, you have to pass a test with an extensive knowledge of databases, all the formulas and everything, and you can become a Notion consultant. And what people do is, like, for example, I can consider Advait and like unengineered, obviously. You use Notion extensively in order to plan each and every podcast.
Correct.
So these Notion consultants help these small scale businesses or YouTube channels in order to build a particular system wherein they can use it for tracking purposes and they can keep on updating it at like a dashboard. You get all the notifications and everything.
That's damn cool, man.
Like, but there, like, obviously Notion does not have some features which are much needed. Alignment is one of the major things missing out of
it. But I mind Notion का auto alignment वाला system जो भी है, I kind of prefer it.
But then
you can't. Like,
for example, if there is a person who is using Microsoft Office or extensively, they are used to alignment.
Alignment मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो तुम?
Fonts, like text alignment, justifying text, left aligning.
आज तक तो मैं कभी left के अलावा
try करके देख नहीं होता. You can't even copy an entire page.
You have to create sections in order to align it. That's the only hack in Notion.
नहीं, but what I'm saying is मैंने alignment कभी use नहीं किया. Center एक है और left एक है, right में कब किया तुमने?
So
like for example, if you're writing letter in the Indian format, if you have ever written the addresses on the right side.
Okay, I mean these are edge cases.
वैसे सब नहीं होता है.
होता नहीं है, but there are people who use it. Na? For example, legal consultants who have to write the address on the right side.
And now that you say ऐसा particular cases, I guess, but अब तक मेरे को alignment का कोई issue.
Because
like there are some videos, like Notion is addictive. I agree, but there are some people who go overboard with Notion. Like they use Notion for each and everything. like making journals and stuff. So there are some creators who have posted videos in order to suggest that please don't use Notion for each and everything. There are better alternatives for that.
हाँ exactly. It is Notion has become that thing, right? कि मैं अपना सारा apps consolidate करके इसमें कैसे
like
रखूँ?
exactly.
तो हाँ. There is
can
I
use.
have actually
Like you
this
can
video and
you can use it for organizing your meetings and day-to-day
Yeah,
schedule. But
yeah.
Google Calendar also exists at the same time.
Wait.
हाँ.
And that's way more like convenient for
Efficient
the
and better.
Wait.
Exactly. And the thing is, I have a video in my watch later जो मैं कब तक देखना. It is 2 to 3 hours long about how the person manages Notion, like एकदम detailed.
Yes, Thomas Frank, I guess. Thomas Frank.
नहीं, it is some other YouTuber. Thomas Frank का एक है, उतना मेरे को पता है, but this is some other. I don't know the YouTuber, but there is this video जो 2 or 3 hours long.
People are actually selling Notion templates these days on Fiverr and
yeah, Notion templates are a craze. Yeah, that's true.
And those people are actual Notion ambassadors and consultants.
That's very nice.
See, ये सब पता नहीं होता है. They don't teach you in school, bro.
Yeah. Super practical information.
Like Notion is such a wide community. There is a Discord server with 15,000 people. Notion has actually started conducting meetups, virtual meetups every month, where they actually teach people how to get into the consultancy program and everything.
Wow, that's very cool. Because if you can help,
would have such a big community, like such a big and active community at the same time.
Why not? Because if you can help businesses organize themselves better, then you definitely need to have like a certification for it. This is what I'm talking about, like the analyst flow. That's what they do at the analyst, Notion analyst.
Yes. So, like talking about Notion, there is also this widely used tool. I don't know if you have heard of it. It's recently gained popularity. Obsidian.
I've heard of that. Where have I heard of that?
Like it's like it mimics a human way of addressing thoughts. If, for example, you can just open up a notepad and it basically saves each and everything in markdown text form, where the one GitHub does. So you can just start writing. Like whenever you want, you are diverting from a topic, you can just open a particular bracket, rectangular brackets, and close it, and it will redirect you to a new document wherein you can type that topic. If you want to go deep into it, just open a bracket, another document. Now you might be thinking it is just opening documents, but no, it is actually creating a network. Like you can view it visually as a brain, where there are multiple nodes. Like this nodes connect to this bracket of document.
That is cool.
Understood. So it mimics how a human thinks, and it organizes it in that way.
And you can just search that node, and if you just enter it, and it will enter into the document. If you want to enter another node, another document like this.
That's actually pretty smart. I don't use it. Obsidian, right?
Obsidian.net, I think.
Yes, it has a logo of a diamond or something, if I'm not wrong. Purple diamond.
So thank you guys for watching this podcast. I hope Naren put a lot of information in your brains. You did an hour. I'm gonna go and use a new app, but we'll figure out how to do that, and I have to finish coding the hour. So okay, Naren, where can they find you on social?
Telegram.
Not really. They can find me on Instagram or LinkedIn. Instagram, I go by the name Naren_Khatwani007. Yeah, I'm a typical James Bond fan.
Full 007 Basi. But yeah, Naren Khatwani kahi bhi search karo.
Wait, तेरा account में 007 नाम में 8 में?
It's kind of like I was born on the 7th. My phone number ends with 007. So yeah, kind of.
Damn, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, actually his number ends in 007. Shit. Fair enough. So yeah, that's why you can follow Naren, and that's why you can follow the Uninternet podcast as well. Check out all our reels, all our posts, all our clips. We have a clips channel where we are posting clips again, so you can stay up to date without watching the entire 30-minute thing. You can follow me and Advait on Instagram, and yeah, just do that. That's pretty much it. Sara link, yeah, all the links are in the description. We should probably say that earlier in the episode, but check out the description, and we'll see you next week with another episode. Probably another guest where we'll talk about their life and how they work around tech in their life as well. So if you like this kind of content, just let us know in the comments, because we don't know tum log kaisa lagega. and we'll see you next week with another episode. And until then, don't forget to get unengineered. Bye.